So what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back. The translucent plastic is basically pretty much holding the sneaker together. I mean, cut up effect, which is really dope. Interesting. I would like to get a pair of these, not to wear, but probably take some pictures for Instagram and whatnot, but not to wear, just to have, just like as a collector's piece. I think it's pretty dope. Taking a look at the tongue, as you can see, we got the fat Nike SB tongue, but also the tongue is basically translucent. It's pretty dope, man. As you can see, it comes with these round blue laces. You got hits of patent leather with the yellow. You got the green. You got the red. You got the blue. All different, all different colors. And that slime green, I don't know. The colors just work together. It just reminds me of like a kindergarten class or, something very childish, which is really dope. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe. Basically replicating what's going on the outside of the sneaker. As you can see, all the translucent parts are actually holding the shoe together. Really dope. As for the back of the shoe, moving up towards the heel, you got your SB with your Nike logo embroidered there. Just very dope. Oh, the coolest part about these, let me see if I can get this out without a problem. If I can't, I'll put a picture up on the screen. Oh, I got it. It's coming out pretty. This is pretty cool. The insoles. This is the original shoe. The guy's got his toes in it. Really looks cool. Really dope. I'll give you guys a closer up with the B-roll. But that's pretty cool, man. That's really dope. But yeah, guys, were you guys lucky enough to hit on this sneaker? Because I did go for it on the sneakers app, but I was not lucky enough. Let me see the box. It's come with different laces. This is the other one. This is the pair, how it looks. These things are pretty sick, man. Pretty dope. Like I said, it's kind of like a nostalgia piece for me. But yeah. Anyway, as you can see, the official colorway is white hyper royal mean green. Nike SB Dunk Low OG. This is the box, nothing special. This is the special part, man, the shoe. The story behind it is just great. Anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Did you guys pick these up? Would you guys wear these? Please let me know in the comment section. But guys, until next time, man, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.